Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a mascara that promises to take your lashes to unforgettable heights. Literally. We're talking about the KIKO Milano Unforgettable Volume and Curl Mascara, a long-lasting curling mascara designed with a unique anatomical brush that hugs each lash individually. Right off the bat, this mascara's standout feature is its brush. Its curve and bristle orientation are specifically designed to lift, define, and separate lashes without weighing them down. The formula itself is quite interesting, blending shellac, a natural resin with a vinyl-like finish, along with a combination of waxes and acacia gum to lock in that curl. On top of that, the olive ester-rich composition nourishes lashes, keeping them soft, flexible, and glossy. It's also ophthalmologically tested, so it's safe for sensitive eyes. A nice reassurance if you often struggle with irritation. Testing this in my daily routine, I found the brush incredibly easy to use. Its curve really follows the natural shape of my lashes, allowing me to coat each one evenly from root to tip. I noticed an immediate lift without clumping, and the curl held throughout a busy day, which is not always a given with mascaras claiming long-lasting effects. The texture of the formula is smooth, but not runny, and it layers nicely if you want more volume without feeling heavy. One small caveat, removal requires a gentle makeup remover. It's not a mascara that just slides off with water, thanks to the shellac component. So the pros? Gorgeous curl, excellent separation, nourishing formula, and long-lasting hold. Cons? Slightly tricky removal if you're not using an oil-based or dedicated eye makeup remover, and the brush might feel a bit large for very small eyes, though it's precise once you get the hang of it. When it comes to value for money, KIKO Milano sits in that mid-range pricing tier. Considering the innovative brush design, lash-nourishing formula, and overall performance, I would say it's justified if you're seeking a mascara that combines curl retention with lash care. Compared to other curl-focused mascaras like L'Oreal Lash Paradise or Maybelline Lash Sensational, KIKO's Anatomical brush gives a more customized curl experience, though those alternatives may be slightly easier to remove or a touch less pricey. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-friendly, with a well-balanced wand that makes application comfortable. Longevity-wise, the mascara holds up all day without smudging or flaking, which is a win in my book. I haven't needed to interact with customer support, but KIKO Milano generally has a solid reputation for responsive service. If the price is a bit high for you, mascaras like Essence Lash Princess or NYX Worth the Hype offer good curl and volume for less, though they won't give the same tailored lash hug that the Anatomical brush provides. Overall, KIKO Milano's Unforgettable Volume and Curl Mascara delivers exactly what it promises: defined, lifted, and soft lashes that last. It's perfect for anyone who loves a bold curl that doesn't compromise lash health, and those who enjoy experimenting with layered mascara looks. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this mascara, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to grab your own can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.